Hi everyone, my name is Amir Furkani. We will cover full adder circuit in Verilog under digital system. In this video, we will cover what is full adder, its circuit diagram and truth table, introduction to Verilog, text and code for full adder and verification with test bench. Now, what is full adder? A full adder is a logical circuit that adds two single bit number along with previous carry, and its outputs are sum and carry, and its logical expression are sum equal to A XOR B XOR C in, and carry equal to AB plus BC in plus AC in. Coming on the circuit diagram, we require two XOR gates, two AND gates, and one OR gate. Please have the look on it. Now on coming on the truth table, here A, B, C in are inputs, sum and C out, that is carry, are outputs. Pause the video and view once. Now coming on the main topic, what is Verilog? Verilog is a hardware description language used for modeling and designing digital circuit and system. Now coming on the Verilog code syntax. This is the syntax for AND gate. Now coming to the very low code of full adder written in simple signal concurrent assignment. Here the time scale directive defines the time units and the time precision for simulation. Here code start with module. I have marked all the keyword in bold. Then name the module. Be careful while naming it as it allow only alphabet and number and special character except underscore, and it start only from alphabet. Now come the port declaration. Declaration as input and output ports. As we all know, full adder have three input and two outputs. Then we require three wire that is used to connect different parts of a circuit by default, and by default has a mode input output. Now our first component is XOR gate. Syntax to write this is gate name, then component name, outputs inputs in parentheses. Here the component x1 is XOR gate having wire W1 as output and AB as input. Now output W1 is served as the input to the component x2 along with Cin, and output of this component is sum. Similarly, we define all the remaining component. Please pause the video and view it. Here the test bench for the full adder. Full adder test bench is used to simulate and verify the functionality of a design. We give input and verify the output. Here we verify the test with truth table. This is the Xilinx software. In this section, code of full adder is written. You can also view the RTL schematic. This is the RTL schematic. Now come on the test bench. Here we set the input of full adder and output, that is sum and carry, is displayed in the simulation. This is the simulation of the test bench. When A, B and C in are 0, then sum and carry is 0. When A and B are 0 and C in is 1, then sum is equal to 1 but carry is equal to 0. Similarly, we verify the rest of the case. We will see how to write code and add test bench in Xilinx ISC in next part of this video. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.